All right, so I've got these two items that I know they're regular price, and I know the shop owner wants the bundle to be $5 less. So I've started a worksheet here so that I can figure out what those prices should be. And the reason I need them is because when configuring the bundle item, I have to specify the discount per item and in a percentage. And you can see here I've already figured out that it's 20 and saved that in the store. But before I did not actually know like what percentage do I need to reduce these by to reduce the price by exactly $5. And so what I could do here is set a variable, say my guess is like 10%. So what we'll do, we know this is our goal, and we know that the this will be equal to the regular price minus the regular price times my discount percentage. I'll make sure to lock that in with F4 and then fill that down. And let's just make this equal to the sum so we can see. So we can see that 10% is not a big enough discount. 12% still not a big enough discount. One thing we can do is have the computer find this for us. So we'll go to the Data tab. Under Forecast, we'll choose What If Analysis, and then Goal Seek, and we'll tell it that we want to set cell C4 to the value of 1998, but by changing cell E2. And we'll do this. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. And now it has found a solution. It has set this one equal to the value we're looking for by changing this one to this specific percentage. So this is what percent you need to offer the discount for each item. Now for simplicity, I just rounded and set both items equal to 20% off, which if you go and look at the actual page where the product exists, you can see that it has worked out just perfectly fine. Regular price $24.98, bundle $19.98 by multiplying a 20% discount on each individual item. So very cool.